In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your DJI Pocket 3 as a webcam. Afterwards, I'm going to talk about some things to keep in mind when using the DJI Pocket 3 as a webcam. First, you'll need to connect your DJI Pocket 3 to your computer using the supplied USB cable. If your computer lacks a Type-C USB port, you'll either need a Type-C to Type-A adapter or a separate USB Type-C to Type-A cable. Next, power on your Osmo Pocket 3. If this is your first time connecting it to your computer, you will need to allow the DJI Pocket 3 access to your computer. Once powered on, tap the webcam option on the touchscreen. The Pocket 3 is now in webcam mode and you should be able to select it in applications like Zoom or OBS. The process is virtually the same for a Windows PC. If you update your DJI Pocket 3 with the latest firmware, you'll unlock the 1080p at 60 frames per second option when being used as a webcam. There are a few things to note when using the Osmo Pocket 3 as a webcam. Firstly, the 1080p at 60 frames per second option that was made available with the latest firmware isn't actually working as intended and is currently still recording at 30 frames per second. All three gimbal modes, which are following, tilt lock and FPV, are supported in webcam mode, but it's not currently possible to choose between them while in webcam mode. You'll therefore have to exit webcam mode to make any changes. Finally, face and subject tracking do work in webcam mode, although DJI support do warn that it can make the Osmo Pocket 3 run a little hot.